Hello, my friends. Welcome back. We are planning in the horizontal planner, and it is the Happy Planner. It is from December 26th until January 1st, and the two books that I pulled are the flowers and the holidays. So the first thing I want to do is go ahead and put down my my 4th of July, not 4th of July. I'm wishing it was warmer. Happy New Year for my Sunday the 1st. So let's go ahead and put that down, and then I will place the flowers around that. I don't know that there's going to be too much journaling on that day. It's probably going to be more about eating and watching football. I do want a couple of these little confetti to go around it. Oop. Let's place some confetti there. Let's place some of these right over here. And then we'll leave that little spot right there. If there's anything that I want to write, I can write in there. Now, let's go back to the flowers. And I'm thinking I want to do these flowers because they're so pretty. They have the gold in them, and I thought that would, the colors in this would complement the gold and the lettering. So let's first try, oh, I don't want this little one. I want this big one. I think this big one we can put right here. We might have to cut it in half. Let's see how we can lay that out. Or I could actually, let's see. Actually, I think I like it here rather than there. I can cut it in half, and I can use half of it here and then the other half here. So let's see if I can do this nicely. These scissors that I have, if I can find them, I will link them below. They are so nice and sharp. Okay, so let's lay this out right here. Let's put this. Okay, let's lay this out right here. I didn't cut it quite straight enough, but that's okay. That looks really pretty there. Let's go ahead and use our scissors to trim it up a little bit. And then trim right here. Okay. Get that off of the scissors. And then what we'll do, that looks really pretty. And then what we'll do is we will lay this one down here. And as I said, it's not perfectly straight, but we can trim it. Oh. Okay. That one can go right there. And we're going to trim it. Okay. There's any mistakes, it's not the tools, it's operator error. Okay. I'm sitting in an area that is not the area that I normally record in. However, my sons record also, and they've taken over that spot, so I'm kind of crammed in this little corner, which I don't mind. It's pretty comfy here. Let me see. I kind of want some washi, but I don't want it to overtake. But look at how pretty this gold washi is. Let me see. Let me lay out my flowers first, and then I'm going to use that washi. Okay. So then on this page, we have this other really big one. And this one I can lay down. Oh, want to tear it. Okay, this one we'll lay down here. Okay. That needs to be trimmed just a tiny, tiny bit. Okay. That's looking pretty there. And there was a quote in this book. It's not gold, but I definitely want to use it. And it is, I believe it says, out with the old. Yes. Out with the old and in with the new. That is my goal, is to forget the old and bring in some new. Let's put that right there. And to incorporate some of the gold, we'll use some of the gold confetti. Right there. We'll just put a couple of pieces right down here. So then we have that. Okay, and then we have more florals. Let's see. Can we lay that one right there? Let's put it underneath the gold. Oh, okay. There, that's good. And then, I love these flowers. They're just so pretty. How about this one right here? And then we have this one. I'm thinking this one can go here, because we have this over here and these two are anchoring. So I think I'd like to put this up here and just take it off the page a little bit. And that still gives me a place to write. Actually, let me use this big scissor, because this scissor has a longer. Okay, there we go. We can use this. Let's just use this right here. Okay. And then we have this blue flower. I wonder. No. Maybe we'll cut it in half. We'll put it off to the side here. And we'll just trim it. This is starting to look really pretty. We could use those two pieces. Okay. All right, we don't need that little piece. And then, let's see, what else do we have from here? We have this Cheers. Maybe so we can bring in the black from here over to here. We'll put Cheers on Christmas, New Year's Eve. We'll put Cheers right there. We'll add a little bit of gold to that as well. We'll add some confetti above it so that we're tying these two in. And let me see. I have goals. I don't have resolutions. So my goals, you know what? Maybe I can list my goals on Monday. And then that way, we can list them out. I'd like to use these little gold. Let's see if we can use these as like bullet points. Where are my tweezers? Let's see. Let's try to put these as bullet points. I have a few goals. I think when you give yourself, when you're graceful towards yourself and you give yourself a couple of goals, a couple of attainable goals, it helps you to continue forward once you've achieved those goals, to continue forward and make a few more goals. So let's do that. Oh, okay. I feel like I want some more flowers. This is turning out to be so cute, so pretty. It's different. And I don't even know if I need the yellow washi anymore. I think the yellow washi might clash. Let's see what it would look like. Yeah, I think it would clash with the gold. So we're not using this. I do love these thin washi that the Happy Planner makes. I had so many thick washi. I gave a lot of them to my niece. I want to put this there. Let me see. Maybe I can cut this in half and place, oh no, those, we've got those two right there. How about maybe placing these two together? Or maybe like that. And lay them down together. I don't want it on that hole. Let's move it down. Right there. And we can take some of these smaller flowers, put them like here. Do we have a blue one? We have this blue, maybe right around it. Okay. I think, here, let's see, maybe another pink one. You know, maybe what we'll do is we'll put this underneath and like layer it. Yeah, I mean, it's okay. Maybe like this. There, that's better. Okay. I think that is it. And I'm so pleased at how it turned out. Please let me know what you think. I cannot wait to journal in this. This is so pretty. It's different. And I love incorporating the gold with it. So please let me know what you think of it. And I will see you very soon. Have a great new year and be safe. Bye-bye.